Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about the concept called cookies. The cookies means it's nothing but an user data, friends. Okay, so the user data, the user means whom user means what, who is an user is nothing but we ourselves who use the browser for browsing the web pages. Okay, so what it will do is, if you open a web browser and request for some page, say flipkart.com, that means what, we are requesting the Flipkart web page from the its web server, right? So what uh, behind the screens, what procedure will happen, you know? So if you enable cookies, so app, in addition to the request, some additional information will be collected along with the request of www.flipkart.com web page. Okay, so it will collect the user data in the form of name value pairs. Okay, and appended that user data to the request. So eventually, so that request will be going to the web server, and the web server will responded to the user based on the user data. It will give some personalized pages. Okay, right. And these cookies will be active as long as the browser window is opened. Once it was closed, it will be cleared off. Okay, so the cookies are saved in the form of name value pairs, friends. Okay, so by default the cookies belongs to the current page. Okay, so this is the concept of cookies. Cookies is nothing but user data. User means who will who the user means what? User is nothing but a person who uses the web browser to see the web pages. So that user data will be collected in the form of name value pairs. That name value pairs is called cookies, and that cookies will be appended to the request and sent to the web server, which in turn the web server will react and respond. A web page gives a response in the form of web page, personalized web page to the user, right? So let us see, document object is having cookie property. So if we store this format, username is equal to Sriram, it will be stored in the cookie. So up to what time? Up to browser, until unless browser is closed, it will stay in that cookie, in that cache only, memory only. Okay, so some expires, if you give like this, it will doesn't expire. And if you express and if you declare expires is equal to so and so, then these details will expire after specified time limit, friends. That is the meaning of this expires. Okay, now let me show it to you in practical. So now document dot cookie is equal to some user name is equal to Veera. Okay, and then now I am just printing it out. Document dot write, document dot write, document dot cookie. Okay, so let me save it. Here you can see the total. Here you can see the printout. Username is equal to Veera. This information will be sent along with the requested page, friends. Okay, and this information will stay up to browser till the browser has closed, total browser has closed. Okay, so if I totally close this browser, okay, and then open, then this username is equal to Vera doesn't stayed. That is the concept, friends. Okay, okay, friends, this is the concept of cookies. And if I give this expires is equal to so and so date, then up to that time and date it will be stayed. That means that your name value pairs will be located, actively placed, or actually there inside the cookie up to this specified time. You can give some 365 days also, so it will stays. Okay, so that is the concept of the cookies. And in the next class we will see the very important topic called form handling using JavaScript, friends. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening, friends.